In this house, which is located in Shabdan, it's actually an additional house from all the houses that we have. We are over here in order to teach you guys how to cook Kuurma-Chai. Let's try it. So first we take saramai. Saramai is a Kyrgyz heated oil, if you can say so. It's a specific type of oil that you can only meet in Asian countries such as Kyrgyzstan and the Stan countries. So we boil some saramai, we melt it. After that we add some flour to it. We mix it all up to make a specific type of powder out of it all together until your flour turns golden. So you continue mixing it. After the flour has been boiled or cooked or fried at the perfect golden state, we add some water, mix it all up, add some milk. After adding in some milk, we add the main ingredient, the black tea. So after you have added black tea, you add some salt in there, which is very unusual for tea drinkers. But yeah, this tea has salt in there. So let's see what happens next. You have to continue stirring it as you cook it in order for it not to get fried. So this is like the main part of the tea, and this is like the hardest thing to do, which is why you always have to remember to stir it before you pour it.
Kurma çayımız dayar oldu.
Thank you very much. So our tea is ready, and let's try it and see what is the Kyrgyz tea tastes like. And that's what I got from now. But actually, it is very interesting. It feels like I can feel the milk out of there, and I can feel the tea from there. Other than that, actually, you know, guys, I like it. It's very nice. Make sure to try it when you come to Kyrgyzstan.